Smart Air Quality Manager using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Smart Air Quality Manager using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board from Abhishek Yadav, Manasi Nandal and Nandini Cunder. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of Smart Air Quality Manager using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research, subscribe now.
My name is Nandini.
My name is Manasi Nandal.
And my name is Abhishek Yadav.
As we all know, air quality is a growing concern. So to tackle this issue, we've created a smart AQI manager which provides real-time air quality updates and alerts. We divided our duties into three parts: hardware design and implementation, which was done by Manasi, setting up the Blynk app, which was done by me, and software implementation, which was done by Abhishek.
In market, there exist several AQI monitoring systems, one of which is government authorized air quality monitoring system, in which we get the air quality around us of a region or a locality, and there doesn't exist any real-time monitoring system in that. The other one is commercial monitoring system, in which there exists real-time monitoring system, but there are no alarms or there are no alerts provided to us when the air quality deteriorates. Air purifiers just let us know about the air quality of a confined space and not about the real-time AQI around. In our AQI manager, we provide you with the real-time localized monitoring system, where it is affordable. It provides you with the real-time AQI and the alerts by blinking the LED bulb and by alarming you by the buzzer. It is affordable and you can access the AQI anywhere, anytime.
Hello everyone, this is the working of our project Air Quality Manager. So the equipments we have used in this Air Quality Manager are: this is our power supply, which is LM2596, this is STM32, this is our OLED display, this is ESP01, and this is the M2145 sensor, this is an alarm, and this is an LED. The working of the model is that once the power button is switched on, the power supply goes from this to the STM32, and the STM32 has been programmed in such a way that it displays the air quality on this particular OLED screen. And at the same time, the STM32 sends its data to ESP01. What ESP01 does is that it sends the data sent by STM32 to any particular app. In this case, the app we have used is the Blynk app, and it displays the same data as on the OLED screen. And so this is how we have done the software part. And there's another thing that we have added, which is not generally found in the existing models in the market, which is that a particular limit of nearly 550 has been set on this particular air quality manager. When that limit is exceeded, this particular alarm bell starts to ring and this LED light starts to display itself, and that's when we know that the air quality has exceeded the dangerous levels, and that is what we have added at this particular time. This is to show that the alarm bell is going to ring once the air quality exceeds a particular limit. We are going to show it using a lighter, and as soon as the lighter is burned, the air quality is going to exceed a particular limit and the alarm bell is going to ring. As you can see, the lighter is currently burning and the AQI is constantly increasing, and what's going to happen is that as soon as the AQI exceeds a particular limit, the alarm bell is going to ring. And this is what has happened. Because the air quality has exceeded a particular limit, the alarm bell started to ring, and now that I've turned the lighter off, the air quality manager is going back to normal.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research, subscribe now.